This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by John Decker. Stately brick home perfectly positioned on a private cove capturing expansive views of the Linkhorn Bay. Tranquil peninsula setting on approximately 1.4 acres of prime waterfront. Dramatic open floor plan flows from the formal living room west/gas logs and marble mantel to open den west/stunning views overlooking outdoor living areas. The bright kitchen boasts stainless appliances and granite tops. Distinctive bar west/granite tops and formal dining room west/chair molding. The expansive master suite offers amazing water views, reading area, oversized marble bath and large walk-in closet. Well-appointed west/wood floors, crown molding and recessed lighting. Situated high on the lot, the large back deck is perfect for entertaining. The property is complete west/boat pier, boat lift and floating dock. Close proximity to premier shopping, the Oceanfront and Cavalier Golf and Yacht Club, which offers an endless list of amenities and services for members. Property is being sold as is. For more information,